What's up guys, it's Matt from TDM Style here and welcome back to the channel. And today I have something new and fresh for you from the world of clothing delivery services. Today is our first unboxing and review for Dapstyled. Now these days, clothing delivery services are becoming more and more popular, and you're seeing that with a lot of brands like Stitch Fix, Bombfell, Trendy Butler, Trunk Club, and the list goes on. Now all of those companies have three basic things in common, and that is that they are subscription based, so you're going to be spending money every month whether you want to or not. The second thing is that they are all mystery boxes. So in other words, you fill out some kind of profile of what types of styles you like, and then you get something in the mail and you have no idea what it's going to be until you open it. And third, a lot of them are using brands that you might not have heard of. I mean, I certainly have opened some things that I never knew they existed. Now, Dapstyled is new on the scene, and they are looking to break away from that format in all of those categories. So that means that they are not subscription based. So you go there, you pick out a box, you buy it, and you are done until the next time you decide you want to buy another box. There are no more mystery boxes. When you go to the Dapstyled website, they have all of their different boxes listed. You pick out what you want. You can see everything that's in that box. You get some customizability, so you can swap out. If you didn't want a gray pair of jeans, you can get maybe a blue pair or a black pair. So there is no more wondering what's in the box.
What's in the box?
And they partner with big name designers and brands, so you're gonna be getting clothing that you recognize, like Puma, Neiman Marcus, Original Penguin, and others. All right, so now that we've got that little company bio out of the way, let's crack into the box that I chose so we can give you guys a better idea of what type of clothing you can expect with this, and then we'll break this review down into the usual categories. So we'll talk about all kinds of stuff like their pricing structure, how the ordering of boxes and swapping out of items actually works, what I think about it all, and then at the end, I also have a special coupon code for you guys to save yourself some cash if you decide to order a box for yourself. So when you first head over to the Dapstyled website, you will see right away that their boxes are broken down into several different categories. So you have a starter box, which has some kind of basic items in it, and then you've got categories like monthly or seasonal items, got more casual boxes, dressier boxes, and each one has a different pricing tier depending on how many items are actually in it. They also have a monthly rotating category of boxes styled by a featured or celebrity stylist for that month. So the box that I chose is one of those celebrity styled boxes for January. So in terms of the box and the packaging itself, I really like it. I think the box just looks pretty sleek. It's not just your plain old brown cardboard box. I like their kind of what you get is what you see logo that's on the side, and I thought that the tear here to inflate ego along the taped edge was just pretty clever and kind of funny. And when you open up the box, you will see your items wrapped up in tissue paper with a little Dapstyled sticker on there, and that's something that you'll see when you buy clothes from higher end designers and things, so I do really like that. I think it looks great, it looks very premium. So the celebrity styled box that I chose came with this kind of off-white Henley tee from Joe's, this white tee from Psycho Bunny, this gray pair of slim skinny jeans from DL 1969 denim, this long sleeve dark wash denim shirt from Joe's, and arguably my personal favorite item of this box, these bright kind of reddish pinkish Puma sneakers. So I really like this. I mean, these type of clothes and colorways are like right up my street, and especially the Pumas. Like, I don't have any other shoes quite like that. I mean, I don't have anything that really sticks out and like is gonna catch people's eye like that, and I'm really kind of stoked to wear these because they just look awesome and they're definitely gonna be really eye-catching. All right, so now let's talk about how ordering boxes actually works and what the pricing structure looks like. So as I mentioned earlier, when you go to their website, you can see all of their available boxes broken down into different categories. And each category has a tier of boxes with different pricing, and as the pricing goes up, you get more items in that box. And with each of the boxes, when you actually click on it to expand what's in there and you look at each separate item, some of those items are swappable, so you can choose, for instance, if you didn't want these reddish pinkish Pumas, you could choose like a gray or a black pair instead, or you could get a different color wash of jeans, or so on. So you do get some customizability there, and then when you're looking at each of these items, basically you just pick your size for each one, add the box to your cart, check out, and you're done. So in terms of pricing, if you go with the DAP Classic Starter Box, that's their cheapest box, and that is at $175. And then for all the other categories of boxes, you have 3 tiers starting at $250, the middle tier is $350, and the top tier is $450. Now, I know what you're thinking, those boxes are expensive, and I agree at first glance those prices do seem high, especially when you compare them to other options like Trendy Butler or whatever that you're paying maybe $65 a month for. However, the important thing to consider is that, yes, while you're going to be investing a little bit more money up front, these prices are still way cheaper than if you were to go to the store and buy these at retail. For instance, the box that I chose is from the $250 tier, and if you add up all the items in this box individually, the price comes out to $494, so it's basically 50% off. I mean, the jeans alone, they got the price tag on there still. These are $178 jeans. I mean, these Pumas would probably run you at least $100, so I mean, that right there is the cost of the box, plus I have 3 shirts in there. They also do a monthly giveaway thing, which I think is really cool. So if you post a picture of you opening your box or wearing the clothes or whatever, and you use the hashtag LookDAP, that will automatically enter you for that month, and you can possibly win a box for free. Now, my favorite thing about this is that you know what you're getting ahead of time. The mystery box thing, when I first started seeing these companies, I thought, well, that's pretty cool. Like, I'll get something and I won't know what it is and it'll be fun to open or whatever. Yeah, it's kind of fun, but really, I mean, it's totally possible, and it has happened, that you can get stuff that you don't like, and then you have to go through the hassle of trying to return it or exchange it, or, you know, if you do something like Trunk Club, you're gonna have to do that anyway, because they send you a bunch of stuff that if you want to keep all of it, you could spend like $1,000, and so you have to return the things that you don't want, and then sizes might not be right or whatever. With DAP Styled, I like it that you look at the box, you see, okay, I'm gonna get this, 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 and this. These items are gonna work for me. They're colors and patterns and whatever that I like. And, you know, the boxes are styled in such a way that you could wear all the items as one outfit, or you've got a ton of different combinations. So again, yeah, you're gonna be spending a little bit of money up front, but I really honestly think that you get what you pay for, especially because they're designer brands that you recognize. Now, in terms of their selection and what you have available right now, I think they have about 15 boxes up on their website right now to choose from, and the company is new, so they're going to be adding boxes about every 6 weeks or so. And as I mentioned earlier, they've got those monthly celebrity-styled boxes that are going to be rotating, so you're going to have lots and lots of options as time goes on. You're just going to get more and more to choose from. Shipping is nice and quick. It's like 5 to 7 business days and it's on your doorstep. So overall thoughts, and guys, I honestly really love DAP Styled. I think it's a great idea. I really like that they're breaking away from the subscription-based mystery box type of thing. I really love that they're brands that you recognize and they're very high quality. I mean, Original Penguin and Puma are 2 of my favorite brands, so that just hit home with me. And it's so much easier. You don't have to fill out a million questions for a style profile or whatever. You just look at the box, you see the clothes, and when you find one you like, you just buy it and you're done. And as I mentioned with the prices, yes, they might look expensive at first glance, but you're really saving like 50 up to 75% off of actual retail designer prices. And it's saving you so much time. I mean, like, if I were to go to outlets to try, like designer outlets, to try to find these clothes, you got to run around to all the stores. You might not find what you like, they might not have your size, and you could spend a whole day shopping and come home with a couple things and end up spending a few $100s. Whereas this, like, yeah, I can spend $250. I get, 5 or 6 items that I know are going to look great together and they're going to have all these combinations, and I don't have to get off my couch. So I highly recommend you check out DAP Styled, guys. I think it's a great and very easy way to improve your wardrobe. And as I mentioned earlier in the video, I have a special coupon code for you guys. So I'm going to put that right down here and in the description box below, and that's going to get you 15% off any box that you choose. It does not have to be the same box that I chose. It can be any one on the website at all, 15% off. And if you do get a box, don't forget to use that hashtag LookDAP when you post about it so you can have the opportunity to possibly win another box for free. And that does it for this review, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. I'm just really excited about this, and I'm really excited to wear these clothes, to be honest. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please do so to keep up with all the upcoming content I've got. And as always, thanks so much for coming by and watching, and we'll see you at the next one.